Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, May 6th at 4:16 a.m. All right, two stocks we got today. We've got Intel and we got AMD, and wow, AMD with an earnings blowout up 60 points already. So anyway, chips are on fire. Let's go ahead and have a look at Intel first. Largest prints in the last month. You can see that they've been adding to their position by hundreds of millions of dollars. Let's look back here, April 9th. We had prints here, and then the next day, April 10th, more prints, consolidated a little bit, more prints here. So look at this, 4.9, 6.7 million shares in this range, and then we gapped up. More prints in here, got a nice 7.5 million, 1.9 million. Look at this, and we're just off to the races. We got 1.8 million yesterday, and then we're already up another $6 on this. Oh my god, I've changed my entry twice and it's still moving. I had 114 and then I changed it to 115. Now we're above 115. So let's look at, if you can get in at 115, that's great. Otherwise, 116, 116.64 is R2, 117.50, 118 and a quarter, 119.39 is this cam here, and then I've got 120, 122.50, 125, and then 127.04 is R3. Now the ATR on this one is $5.72. We're already up $6.70, 6.76. So anyway, let's see what happens with this. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 112. Let's get below here. That's this range. You can see this consolidation range. I've got a 50 simple moving average and this R1. This will be a strong support. So if we break below, retest, move down, then we will target 111.01 as a cam, 110.06 as a cam, 109.10, and I stopped at 108.15, which is this 1.8 million from yesterday, which is very close to the yesterday's close as well on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and get blown away by AMD. Okay, so AMD, look at this. They've just been adding to the position the whole time. This was a good entry point here, April 2nd. That's a perfect trade setup as far as I would be concerned here. And then we moved up, more prints. Look at this group of prints, 900K. So that's 1.4, 1.8, 2 million in here. And then we got this print opened, tested the print, moved up. So this also you add to your position. And then here we've pulled back. We got prints in 2 days, another 860K added to their position. Then we got another 1.5 million up here. We came back to the 8 exponential moving average, almost to this 500K print, moved back up. And then we had earnings. So we're already up $61. So let's go ahead and look at this on the intraday. This one is moving up as well. You can just see this is a very, look at this, riding the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average all the way through the post market, right? So let's see what happens. We're going to be bullish above 417, target 420, 422.50, 425, 427.50, and 430. That'll get us up here. The ATR in this one is $16. So if this just continues, then like this, just stay in the trade. And the major dollar levels, just take a little bit of profit as you go. We're going to be bearish below 412. That's this right here. So this is pretty strong. So 412 is this R5. We got some moving averages here. We got the 4, the 8, the 15. So it'll have to break below, test increasing volume, moving down. If it's moving down on low volume, that is not an entry point to go short. You need the increasing volume on that. So target 411, 410, 408 and a quarter, 407.50, 405, 400, 397.31 here is this R4. So that's actually giving us 15 points on that, back as a retracement all the way down here, 397. And so if it continues, same thing, then there's a trade down to 382, which I which I doubt anything is possible, but we've mapped it out. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And follow us on our Dark Pool Weekly Report, mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report, where we cover swing trades for the week. I give you 13 stocks. We include the SPY QIWM, do a complete analysis. Plus, we have a Dark Pool education section, and yeah, you get that every Sunday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, happy trading, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.